Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C43 AMG 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG night package with front, side, and rear black accents, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the side, black MB-Tex Dynamica with red stitching interior, a natural grain oak wood trim, panorama sunroof, spoiler, AMG C43 badging, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, power liftgate, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, AMG Napa Sport steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, dynamic select for different driving patterns, turn wheel for infotainment center. This C43 has 14,125 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C43 AMG 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.